Subscribe to my channel.
One lead agency presence. Do you have 7 income streams like the most wealthy? Welcome everyone! Today, we're going to discuss the incredible benefits of having 7 income streams. Building an income network is not only possible, but it's also essential for financial freedom and stability. So, let's dive into the top benefits of having multiple income streams. 1. Increased financial stability. The more income streams you have, the less likely you are to fall into financial crisis. With multiple sources of income, you can weather any storm and maintain financial security. 2. Teach financial literacy. When you teach others how to generate multiple income streams, you're also teaching them the importance of financial literacy. This skill can be applied in various aspects of life, making them more responsible and savvy financially. 3. Reduce financial risk. Having multiple income streams can help reduce the risk of relying on a single source. This means you're better equipped to handle unexpected expenses and emergencies. 4. Improve financial goals. Having multiple income streams allows you to diversify your investments and save for your future. This increases the chances of achieving your financial goals, such as buying a house, starting a business, or taking that dream vacation. 5. Leverage opportunities. Each income stream presents unique opportunities for growth and development. By leveraging these opportunities, you can unlock even more benefits and increase your overall income. 6. Maintain financial peace. With multiple income streams, you can reduce the stress of financial worries. You can allocate your income to save, invest, and live on a more comfortable budget. 7. Foster financial freedom. The more income streams you have, the more financially independent you become. This freedom allows you to make more informed financial decisions and live life on your terms. In conclusion, having 7 income streams is a powerful way to increase financial stability, teach financial literacy, reduce risk, achieve financial goals, leverage opportunities, and foster financial freedom. So, start exploring your multiple income streams today and unlock the benefits that come with it.
Subscribe to my channel.